In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make vintage photos in Canva using the film grain effect. This is a fantastic way to give your digital images a classic retro vibe that mimics old school film photography. Whether you're working on a creative project or just spicing up your social media posts, this tutorial will guide you through every step of the way. Let's begin by selecting the image you want to edit. Open Canva and click on your chosen image to begin working on it. Make sure the image suits the vintage vibe you're aiming for. Portraits, landscapes, or even candid shots can work wonderfully with this effect. Once your image is open, go ahead and click on the Edit button. This will open up a range of tools you can use to alter your photo. The Edit button is your gateway to making adjustments and tapping into Canva's powerful features. Next, we're going to locate the LDAR effect. Click on it to incorporate this filter into your image. The LDAR filter will start laying the groundwork for that timeless, nostalgic look we're aspiring to achieve. Once applied, the effect should begin to change the tone and feel of your image. After applying the LDAR filter, we'll click on the Bad TV effect. This adds a retro television screen impact to your image, contributing to the antique film appearance. You'll notice your photo taking on a slightly more aged and intriguing character. Moving on to the next step, click on Fuzz. This option introduces subtle blurring and additional textures to your image, emphasizing that vintage, old school flair. It simulates the imperfect charm of historical photography. Now we're going to fine tune our settings. Adjust every slider to the left to 0 except for the static. This minimalist approach ensures that your adjustments truly highlight the film grain effect, rather than overshadowing it with other alterations. The next step focuses on the static slider. Adjust the static slider gradually to fine-tune the graininess of your image. This adjustment mimics the texture and grain associated with classic 35mm films. You can adjust it to your liking depending on how bold or subtle you want the effect to be. Finally, don't forget to hit save. This ensures all the changes you made are preserved and your newly crafted vintage photo is ready for use. Saving your project will keep your hard work intact and available for whenever you need it. By following these steps, you've skillfully transformed a standard digital image into a beautiful vintage style photograph using Canva's tools. This tutorial empowers you to creatively express yourself and enrich your visual projects with a touch of nostalgia. I hope you enjoyed this guide and are as excited to experiment with these effects as I am. Thanks for watching and enjoy your newly stylized images.